Hello and welcome, and in this video I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card to your ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra. So to insert your SIM card, first find your phone box and look for this little piece of metal, or just use a needle or something that is stiff and thin. And now flip your phone like this and find the opening right here and insert the piece of metal in. As you can see, now we are able to remove the SIM tray from the phone. So let's just do that. Try to be delicate with it because it's fragile. And we have the SIM tray, and now you have to put your SIM here and one of these slots, doesn't matter really, and when you're done just put it back. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.